Hi kids! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.
Hello kids, come swim with me. We are friends beneath the sea.
Hi, I'm Dolphin, watch me play. I jump and splash around all day. I'm Starfish, shiny, bright and new. With 5 strong arms, just count them 2. I'm Turtle, strong and slow but sweet. With my shell, I'm hard to beat. I'm Clownfish, orange and white. Coral reefs are my delight. Click, clack, claws, I'm Crab, hooray! I move sideways every day. 8 long arms, I'm Octopus. Wiggle, wave, come play with us.
Whoosh! I'm Whale, so big and wide, the gentle giant of the tide.
Hi, I'm Jellyfish, soft and bright. I glow and float, a shining light. Hi, I'm Squid. I swim so fast, I shoot some ink and zoom right past. I'm Pufferfish, watch me puff, round and funny, that's enough.
Bye-bye kids, it's time to go. See you soon, down deep below.
Hi kids! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.